Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by preparing the hardware and confirming communication. Make sure your Switch and Joy-Con firmware are up to date and the console has at least 20% battery. This avoids disconnects. Insert the Joy-Con into the wheel shell until it clicks so buttons and rails align. Once done, go to Controllers, choose Change Grip/Order to register the wheel as a controller. This tells the console how to interpret steering input, so your wheel behaves predictably in-game. Now you refine control so the wheel responds the way you expect. In System Settings, select Controllers and Sensors and run Calibrate Control Sticks. This removes offset and drift. Next, enter the game's options and lower sensitivity if steering feels twitchy, or increase it if sluggish. Make adjustments and test on a slow practice track. Also toggle gyro and vibration to match your preference. Reducing dead zone smooths tiny inputs, while increasing it filters jitter. This step is why calibration matters for consistent handling. Finish by locking in your settings and practicing deliberately. Save the controller profile if the game supports it, and run a few timed laps to build muscle memory for steering and braking. Make sure the wheel is firmly seated and your grip is steady so inputs remain consistent. If something goes wrong, like disconnects, repair the Joy-Con, check for firmware updates, clean the rail contacts, and reboot the Switch. These fixes resolve most connection and calibration issues quickly.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.